So I got this little travel light some time ago. Well, I guess it's not really a travel light. It's just a small light that happens to be something you can easily travel with. It's kind of nice. It's oh, gee. It is bright, much brighter than I would have expected. Turn it down a little bit, give myself a nice, healthy glow. Put it up on this windowsill over here as I try to put together a makeshift recording studio. This week we're going to be featuring Node Random Name. Now, this is a package that does predictably what you might expect. It gives you a random name. It's based off the 1990 census data, so you're getting mixtures of real names that exist. A package like this is useful, of course, when you want an actual name. Maybe you're seeding a database with fake users, maybe you're generating characters for a story, maybe, I don't know, whatever you might do with names. But this is also very useful for when you need to generate random IDs for things that need to be compared by humans. Now, if you give a human three numbers, 59624 792083, 412 16B, I don't know, whatever, and you give them a number they need to pick out of a slew of numbers, it's going to be difficult for them to pick out that number because numbers just merge all together in your head after a time. But if you randomly generate names or something memorable, then it's easier for them to pick that out later. They might not remember the whole name. They might not remember that it's Brittany Casca or something like that. But they might remember that it started with a B and the last name sounded kind of like Kashkabada. If you've ever used something like Docker, they use a similar concept when they name their containers. You get stuff like Furious Einstein, Ecstatic Almeida, Jovial Yallo, Agitated Darwin. Now, these are things that you can remember pretty easily for a short period of time, and more importantly, you can pick it out of a slew of these things because it's easy for you to differentiate them. So there are a bunch of modules kind of like this on NPM. There are some that generate superhero names, some that generate names from like Middle Earth, Lord of the Rings stuff, Star Wars names, things like that. They can all be used for similar effect, and I'd recommend that you play around or at least keep that in the back of your brain so next time you need to do something like this, you can pull out something better than a 32 character alphanumeric string. Thank you very much for watching. I'm working on a bunch of longer form videos, but those take a bit of time to put together, and I'm trying to get more practice doing this weekly, but I promise longer videos are coming up with tutorials on reverse engineering JavaScript, intercepting requests with Chrome, integration testing, unit testing, things like that. So if you like those topics or you like this NPM featured highlights, then please subscribe, click the notification-y thingy, leave comments. Whatever. See you next time. So bright. It's so bright. It hurts.